Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's video, if you signed up for Uber but you forgot to use a referral code, it's okay. I got you covered. Jump down into the video description below. If you're a driver in the US and you're a newer driver, you can use a retroactive sign-up code to get your guarantee to start driving of up to $1,000. It might be $100, $500, $700, or $1,000. But if you're a driver in the US and you need a retroactive bonus code, again, it's in the video description below. All right, check it out. All right, you guys, thanks for coming back to the Rideshare Hub to kick it with me, Jacob Letman, for another video. So much going on in the world right now. Sickness spreading like wildfire across the globe. So many uncertainties surrounding all sorts of things, including the rideshare landscape, and rides are down across the nation. Uber says up to 70% fewer ride requests in their busiest cities. Might even be more so elsewhere. Who knows? But what we do know is that the rideshare world has been flipped on its head, upside down, turned upside down, and we're trying to make sense of it all. So I myself have been impacted greatly. All of my different revenue streams have gone away overnight, basically. And the issue is that there's no real timeline in when things might get back to normal. And as we can all see on the news, the numbers are just escalating higher and higher. So that leaves a lot of uncertainties. And there's so many of us that still need to find a way to generate an income. So I am starting out to venture into delivering for food delivery apps. Today is day one of me jumping on that train, and I had some other stuff to do, so I signed up with Grubhub today, and I want to talk you through that whole process, and I'll keep you updated. I'll keep making videos as things progress with each of the food delivery apps that I sign up for. So again, today was day one, me signing up for Grubhub, and so basically I was on my cell phone, and I got online. I didn't really know where to start. I looked around. I did some searches for a while to see if I could use a referral code to sign up. It was kind of a gray area on that, so I didn't spend too much time. I don't know anyone personally that drives for Grubhub. So anyway, I skipped that referral. Could have been my loss. I'll find out more. And once I do get signed up, I'll let you know if there is a referral code. I'll provide you with my referral code, so if you'd like to get signed up to start driving for Grubhub, you can. Okay, so what I did, I just got on Google and I searched drive for Grubhub, and website popped up, Grubhub's website. Clicked on that, took me to their webpage, asked for some simple questions, name, address. It asked, what type of vehicle do you drive? I think it gave options like scooter, bicycle, car. I selected car. It said, okay, you passed, you're good to go. So I think maybe that means that you can't do Grubhub with a scooter or a bike. I don't know. I'm not certain. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that question is there. And then after that, it asks you to upload your driver's license, upload a picture of your vehicle insurance, but that's all it needs for those. So you upload those, right? You keep going through, and then the final page, it asks you to submit for a background check. So you put in some more information, including like your social security number. You sign off on that, electronic signature, send it through. And it says, you will receive an email update. So I went into my email pretty much instantaneously, and the email said, thank you, you're only a few steps away from driving. And then in the same email it said, you're going to need to complete attached delivery partner agreement and a W-9. And then you need to pass the background check. And then after that, if you pass those, they will send an invite to attend an onboarding session, which I'm not really certain what the onboarding session all involves yet. I haven't looked into it. I just know that is the list of how this sign-up goes. So after that, I got another email shortly thereafter, which was a DocuSign document, which is basically you can just DocuSign. If you haven't done it before, you can sign documents online, electronic signatures, all that good stuff. But you should know when you pull that up, it is like you have to fill in a lot of the information. So at the top, it's like you got to read it. You can't just mindlessly go through it. A lot of them, it just kind of like lays it out for you. You just click, yeah, accept, sign, blah, blah, blah. This you actually have to pay attention to. So be forewarned about that. It says, herein and forthwith, on this day of, you got to put in the date, or the month, the date, the year. And then between blah, 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 your name, and Grubhub. What else goes on? And then it asks for and then it says who resides at residence of blah blah blah. So you put your address in there. You need to put your full address in. Let's see. And you have to pay attention to do this correctly, because if you do it incorrectly and you submit it, it won't go through. So that's why you got to pay attention. All right. So once you do that, you finish up that portion of it. There's a few things that you have to put your initials on, and then after your initials you sign, and then after you finish that top portion, then you're going into the W-9, which I'm sure many of you have filled out before. Same thing, first and last name, full address, social security number, or workers identification number. I don't have that, so I didn't look too closely. Anyway, either of those options. Let's see. And then you sign again at the bottom, put the date again, and once you do that, you submit. I got an email that said, your background check is in progress. Please understand that your background check is being reviewed as quickly as possible. Due to circumstances surrounding COVID-19, you may experience delays as we work with external institutions to process your information. And it says that they will update me as soon as possible, basically. So just want to throw that in there so that you know that basically this sickness is backing up all sorts of industries and systems. So it might take a little while. I don't really know what to expect. I'll update you guys and tell you how long it takes me. I just wanted to talk you through the process. If you're in a position where you need to make some extra income and you have your vehicle, you were doing rideshare rides for Uber, Lyft, and now the rides are gone and you need to make some extra money. So food apps are doing way better. Their sales are way up. They're staying much busier. So I am making the shift over to those apps for now to make some extra money until things hopefully return to somewhat normal, but we don't really know when that's going to be. Let's see, is there anything else I need to tell you guys about this? I guess, yeah, just do it as soon as possible, because again, there is expected to be an influx of people who were going from other professions that got laid off temporarily, whatever it may be, business professionals who are looking to generate some part-time income. There should be an influx in people coming to rideshare food delivery apps to make some extra money. So get on it. Don't wait. That's what I got for you guys on the Grubhub signing up experience, and I'll continue to update you as things progress. All right, that's what I got for you. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until next time, stay safe out there.